Here's how to make resolutions for the new semester and keep them. The new semester is a great time to take stock of your life and assess how things are going. Some people feel like the idea of keeping their resolutions is so daunting that they don't make any. Don't stress over this. Don't worry about life-altering changes or worn-out promises to yourself. Just pick one or two small things that will make your life better. Identifying one or two small attainable goals is less overwhelming, even making the process feel good. Here are Lucy's top 5 for making and keeping your New Year's resolution. Start small. Make resolutions that you think you can keep. For example, if you want to exercise more, schedule 2 or 3 days a week at FitRec instead of 6. If you want to eat healthier, try skipping dessert or only having it a few times a week. Or finding a substitute like fruit or yogurt. #FitLiving. Change one behavior at a time. Unhealthy habits develop over time, so changing them to good ones takes time too. Pick 1 or 2 behaviors you want to change this semester. Do you want more sleep, less screen time, better self-care? Just pick one. Talk about your goals with friends and family. Try to enlist a friend or 2 to join in with you. Having someone to share your struggles and successes with makes reaching goals easier and less intimidating. Don't beat yourself up. This isn't about attaining perfection. Even achieving a small part of one of your goals is a step in the right direction. Remember that setbacks are completely normal. Don't give up completely because you can't check off your completed goals on week 1. Just try to get back on track with a mini step toward your goal as soon as you can. Reward yourself when you're successful. Rewarding yourself when you reach your goals or make progress towards them will help you stick with your plan until the new behaviors become regular habits. Pick a few simple and healthy rewards for when you reach milestones, like watching a movie, meeting friends for coffee, unless you're trying to cut out caffeine, or listening to music. Happy 2020! Love, Lucy.